Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kuwait, Japan. Today I will introduce 6 essential Google Sheets techniques to boost your productivity. These are great techniques I use daily, covering both basic and advanced functions. Knowing them, you can work much faster. So be sure to watch until the end. Let's dive in! So now we open our file. The first technique is freezing rows and columns. When working with large tables, scrolling down can make headers disappear, make it difficult to track data. To fix this, first, you select the row or column you want to freeze and click View and Freeze. Then you choose the row or column which you need to freeze. One row. Now, if you are scrolling, the headers will always remain visible. Woo! The second technique is filters. This feature is useful for quickly organizing large amounts of data. By using it, you can filter the data faster, so make sure to take advantage of it. First, you select the data range, then click Data and create a filter. Finally, click the filter icon each column and set your criteria. And I chose South, okay? For example, here you can filter and display only the data from the South area. That's good. A new updated feature is Convert to Table. This makes filtering data even easier, so be sure to use it. To convert table, first, you select the data range, then click Format to convert to table. Ooh! This method is simpler and more efficient, so I strongly advise you to keep it in your notes. The third technique is data validation. When you are working in a team with several members, irregular data entry can be a problem. To prevent this, set up data validation. If data is entered irregularly, it can't be combined or calculated correctly. For example, if both James and Mr. James exist in the dataset, James's performance cannot be calculated correctly. Always consider how data will be combined and use data validation effectively. First, you select the data range, then click Data and Data Validation. Click Add Row and enter the necessary items in option 1 and option 2. For this example, we will set names, enter James and Alex. Then click down to finish. Now users can select from a drop-down list, reduce input errors. By the way, you can also create a master list of names in advance and reference it. If you have a large number of members, using a master list makes management easier and maintenance more efficient, so it is highly recommended. First, you click the Edit button. Then select drop-down from a range from the criteria field, so the screen will change. After that, click the square icon. Now, select the range from a master dataset, then click OK. By referencing the master list, any changes made to the master data will automatically update the drop-down list options, making it very convenient. The first technique is conditional formatting. This automatically changes the color of your data based on status updates. For example, in this sheet, if they are ongoing to-dos, they will turn it red to alert users. By setting up conditional formatting, your spreadsheet becomes easy to understand, helping you quickly see important information and take action. That's why I highly recommend using conditional formatting. Let's take a look on how to set it up. First, you select the data range and click Format and Conditional Formatting. Then choose Custom Formula. And apply the rules, okay? Apply the rules is very important. So let's see how to set up the custom formula rules, okay? First, you start with equals. Then add dollars before the column letter of the first status cell. Example, this time D2, status D2, okay? Dollars D2. Add another equals followed by the status text in double quotes. Example, equal dollars D2 equal double quote down double quotes, okay? Equal double quotes down double quotes. And finally select the color to apply, okay? I choose gray down. It's very useful. The fifth technique is linking with Google Drive or URL. By adding links to documents and slides in Google Sheets, you can quickly access them. First, you copy the Google document URL. Then, select the target cell and paste the link. It will automatically convert into a smart chip. Great! You can also add links to text. If you are using Windows, click Ctrl+K. If you are a Mac user, you click Command+K. Now you can open your documents directly from your spreadsheet. This is another must-to-use feature for saving more of your time. Woo! The final technique is personal filters. One of the greatest advantages of Google Sheets is real-time collaboration. However, when using standard filters, any filtering you apply will affect everyone else's view as well. Oh my god! If someone applies a filter from their work screen, it will automatically filter everyone else's screen too. Wow! What are you doing, Naruto? And this can lead everyone to confusion. To prevent this issue, I suggest using personal filters. With personal filters, only your own screen is filtered and it won't affect others. When working in your team, make it a rule to always use personal filters when applying filters to avoid disruptions. Okay? Click Data to create a filter view. That's it. Even if someone uses a filter, it won't affect others anymore. Good! By using these 6 techniques, you can work much faster in Google Sheets. I'll continue sharing helpful Google Workspace tips, so don't forget to like and subscribe button. Bye bye!